Good morning, guys. Today we are going to start testing out the simple machines you made. So I'm just going to work with the first class lever that everyone is doing. And so I'm going to talk to you guys about your force meter that we're going to attach. And actually it comes in two parts. So we have the actual sensor, and then we are going to have the Go link. So you guys will get this separated. All you have to do is plug it in. Then you're going to plug it into your computer. Make sure you plug it into your computer first. So that way your computer is going to read exactly what sensor you need. So you don't have to go looking for it in the program. So my light is on. I'm going to go ahead and if you guys are looking at the screen, we're going to go to your class. Oops, sorry, second hour. And I put a link for the simple machines. I'm sorry, for the Vernier website. We're going to click data sensor collection, USB, because we plugged it in, and make sure we hit Go link. We'll go ahead and click what we want to make sure we want to connect, showing up, and then we're going to hit done. So now, whenever we use it, we are going to, it automatically comes up as force in newtons. We're going to go down here for time-based. I always like to make the time a little bit longer in case I need to move anything or if I'm not ready when I hit collect. I'll hit done. All right. When we want to start collecting, we're just going to hit the collect button at the top. So what you're going to do, and remember, everyone's levers are going to look different. So I'm just going to use my fingers as fulcrum because I want to see your guys' creative ideas. So you are going to hook on one end your weight. Okay. Then on the other end, you're going to hook on your force sensor. Okay. Hit collect. You should see a line start to come up on your screen. Then we're going to push down on it. And if you notice, it has gone up. And so it's measuring in newtons. And then I'm going to release. And so it goes back to normal, back to its starting position. So whenever I'm finished and hit stop. And what's really cool on here is on your paper, what you would be measuring, right? You're going to measure the distance from the weight to the fulcrum, and then from the fulcrum to the sensor. And then you're also going to measure the force. The force is on the computer here. And what's really cool is if you click on it, when I was pulling the weight down, you can see exactly how much force I needed. Now this is a much tinier weight than the one that you're dealing with. So your numbers are going to be completely different, and that's okay. What it's having you do on our first, second, third location, you can change the distance of the weight, so we can move it up, or you can change the distance of the sensor, but make sure you're only choosing one. And depending on which VEX part you use, you may need to attach a string to it or modify a little bit so that you can get it hooked on. All right, guys, have fun and happy measuring.